Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee Michelle with Top Notch Designs, and today we are going to replace a slider that has broken off of a jacket that has a tooth zipper. So a little bit different than our coil zipper, but same concept. You'll literally put it together the same exact way. So as you can see, this jacket, you always want to check on tooth jackets to see if any of the teeth are damaged, and in when the slider's missing. And in this case, all the teeth are intact. They look good. There's not a chip or a broken tooth on here whatsoever, but there's no slider also. So in order to do so, we're going to need a couple of things. And first things first, we're going to start with our supplies. So obviously we need the coat. We need our new slider. We need our pliers, our pinchers, and we actually need these pinchers too. I believe they're zipper remover pinchers. I have no clue, but you'll need these, or maybe not. You can work without it. And then of course your top stop. This one's a little bit fatter because, well, we have the top stop on these are a lot bigger. So what we'll do, just like any of the other videos, we're going to lift this up, and as you can see, it has a top stop here that's plastic. You need to take your nippers and you need to just break it off. It'll probably go flying, so close your eyes. And you're just going to rip off both sides to make sure you get all the extra pieces. You're going to take this, you're going to pull it back. This, just a kind of pull it back. It's hard to do it with just your hand. And just kind of pull that forward like that. You're going to take your slider and put it on there. Pull it all the way down. Make sure that you can zip it up. And make sure when you are zipping it up that you're looking to make sure that when it's zipped that you're not seeing any spaces or broken teeth, which there is not, so we're good to go. And make sure you give it a tug so that you can make sure the zipper doesn't just slide open. All right, so that looks good. Now you're going to take your top stop and you're going to take these. And the reason why you need this one as opposed to this one is because this doesn't get to the very bottom and pinch it really well, and this one does. So you're just going to open that up, kind of hold it on there. Don't squeeze it, just hold it on there. You're going to put it where there's no, where you took that top stop off, so right above the teeth, and you're going to give it a squeeze. You see it's a little loose. That's okay, because you want to get it fit in there first before you push it down. And you're going to take this and you're going to squeeze this way. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to squeeze this way. And that's nice and secure. Now you're going to just go ahead and zip this up. And you're good to go. You'll put your flap back over. And that is how you replace a slider on a tooth zipper. All right, that is all for our quick, speedy tutorial on how to replace a slider on a tooth zipper. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, we thank you for watching, and give us a thumbs up and hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll be sure to give you a response. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I hope you guys have a top-notch evening. Bye for now.